Good afternoon, everybody. Tom here at Woodchoppers Hollow Custom Painting Cars and etc. The workbench is a mess, but that's beside the point today. Been working on some 3D printing, cleaning some stuff up. This is a Steve Stanford Design Type 3 Notchback Custom, printed by TDR at Shapeways, and printed in white plastic, which is kind of grainy, to say the least. So I've been filling it with body filler to smooth it out and bring it up to a paintable surface. This brings me up to my thorn in my side today. I've heard a few people comment that 3D printing will be the death of the kit manufacturers. And maybe someday, yes, but I don't see it happening until they can print a smooth 3D print like plastic out of the box with no mold lines, no layer lines, nothing. It won't happen. But I have a lot of people comment to me offhand and on hand about how I'm killing the hobby by using 3D printed parts. Well, it's like the resin body issue. You know, in the past, that was a way to get something cool, and people said, well, the resin hobby's gonna, body hobby's gonna kill everything. Well, that was 25, 30 years ago, and still going strong. So, you know, I'm tired of hearing the naysayers. 3D printing's too expensive for what you get. 3D this, 3D that. Well, the point is, you're only going to get something unique once, and you're going to have to step up and spend the money. The white, simple plastic from Shapeways is the cheapest option, and it has some issues that you're going to have to overcome. That's why I'm doing this body. I'm still working on my 3D printed crew cab over, and that was printed in Ultra Detail Frost. And the price difference between the two of them are night and day. This is for under $60, and the other one will. Put it this way: you could buy a few nice kits and a resin conversion for its price. But that's beside the point. It's something unique, something I wanted. A lot of you won't step out of your comfort zone, and that's absolutely fine. I find 3D printing to be invigorating, to be exciting, to be able to get some pretty damn cool things. But it's not for everybody. The amount of effort and work that has to go into it to make it presentable is a mountain. And some people can't hack that. That's fine. We all have our own level of what we build with. Me and Minnie were talking yesterday, Mr. Mini Dreams, David Sean, about people getting upset with us cutting up vintage Johan kits, us cutting up rare kits, because we're builders. We're not collectors. We have visions in our head, and we want to see them come out in plastic. So that's what we do. And if it takes me cutting up a Johan Hurst to get the dream kit I want to do, I'm going to do it. It's like the 3D printing here. I decided I wanted to do this car. I paid to have it printed. And no, it isn't going to kill some manufacturer. It's actually going to help, because I'm going to have to buy another kit for all the underpinnings and motor and all that to make it work. Just like the body thing. All it's going to do is sell more kits and make things stronger. And when it's on the table, it won't be a cookie cutter along everybody else's cars. That's why I build in resin a lot. I'm tired of seeing the same cars over and over and over and over again. If you like building stock muscle cars, man, that's great. I love seeing a well-detailed build. If you're into building mini trucks and tuners, it's fantastic. I love the look at them. It's not really my cup of tea. I like a few cars. I like some of the vintage Japan historic cars, but you know, it's not really my style. I'm in the customs, you know, pro touring, street rods, hot rods, you know, custom trucks. That's just kind of my forte. That's what I like. And if you like something different, that's great. And I hope I can inspire you someday to try something different. So, my rant's over. Just remember that 3D printing isn't going to take out the kit hobby now. Maybe in 20 years, possibly. Maybe never. Until they get the price point down and the quality higher, it'll never, ever take the place of a kit injected molded body. So I hope you guys all hang out cool. Everything's good. Hope everyone's well. This is me signing off later.